Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to show you if you are looking to ship your book. It can be any product. So primarily I'll be talking about books in this video because we print, publish and sell books. So if you are looking to print your book online and publish it and sell it on, if you are looking for any kind of book printing services, publishing or delivery or shipping services, we can help you out. You can go to our website, you can calculate the cost and everything which is given on our website. So visit our website. The link is given in the description below. So now what we are going to do here is there are multiple websites in India. You can ship via India Post. India Post is the cheapest, but not necessarily the best. But so far, our experience with India Post has been good. But the issue here is that you have to go manually every time. You have to go to India Post office, and they have a very limited amount of time. And typically, as you know, they don't like to work. So they are not very much active. And the other alternative that we have currently is Shiprocket is their delivery. You can use delivery.com. Shiprocket is an aggregator which is also good, but it charges a little bit more. And there are multiple websites, and now I'm going to show you in this video that how you can upload your orders in bulk. So if you have, for example, 2-3 orders, it is very easy to do that. But if you are looking to add around 20-30 orders, right, or 100 orders altogether, so it is very difficult to do it manually, and it doesn't really make sense. So what you need to do here is, if you want to calculate the shipping cost, you can just calculate it here. Shiprocket.in and shipping rate calculator. If you log in, so here you have to create your account, and after you create your account, you can see that the what your balance is, wallet balance is, and you will be able to figure out where you are selling or sending your books. So in this situation, what we are going to do here is, if we want to do the bulk order, we are going to go to orders, and these are the orders that I have in front of me, and these will be shipped. And there is a new, these are the new orders that I have ready to ship. That is, the pickup has been generated, pickup and manifest, that is, pickup has been done. In transit, it is on way to the customer and it is delivered. RTO is, if a product is not received, it will return to origin. That is what you call RTO. It will return to the seller, that is you. And if you click on all the orders, you will be able to see. So here, if I want to add an order, I click here, and there it is the pickup address. You can put up your pickup address here, and then eventually manually you have to add the phone number, address, name, landmark, pin code. Your own address is already given here, but this is the customer's address. Then you have to put the product details and everything. So if you want to click on if you want to order bulk, if you want to put a bulk orders, you have to click on bulk order. Here you can see this is where you upload your file. So now what I'm going to do here is, because I'm going to do it for the first time, I will download this. There are 3 types that you can do it, but I use a basic Excel file because it's much simpler. So I'm going to click here, and then a file is going to be downloaded onto your computer. So you can upload this on your Google Drive and you can use it, or you can just open it on your computer and you can start editing this. So if I open this up, this is how it looks like. This is the order ID, this is the pickup address. So mainly what are the features? So every optional thing I will delete. This is not necessary for me, so I'm going to delete them, and I'm not going to bother much about it. Reason, because it takes a lot of time and I'm not going to waste my time on this. The main objective of this video is to teach you how you do it, how you set it up first, and then you can edit it as per your requirement. So here what is important is these things: buyer mobile number. So you put the buyer mobile number, the initial number, email ID is not required, so I'm going to delete that, and the complete address and the shipping code. And every time, here the thing is, it is Delhi. So what you can do is, you can just put India, and put India, and that's it. The main concern is shipping ID and the shipping address and the buyer's name and phone number. These are the essential stuff. And regarding the order ID, you can put any kind of order ID as per your requirement. You can follow any format that is there. Okay, so these are the essential stuff that you have to keep in mind. And regarding this thing, because if you are selling a book, so if you if you are selling a book, you can put the value 500, right? 500, and I'm going to change this 500, whatever product quantity is 1. So I'm going to put it 1. Master SKU, it is always, I'm going to put it book, because I'm selling books, so I'm not bothered much about it. If there is any COD, then you put COD, but typically we don't do any COD, so it is going to be prepaid. And shipment, this is very vital. This is something which you need to keep in mind. You have to make sure that you take photo of the product that is going to be shipped. So what you have to do is the product that you have packed, you have to make sure that you are, taking dimension, that is the length, breadth, and height of the product. So the dimension of the product is given here. So if I rotate it, so I'm not sure how to rotate this using this software. Anyway, so what I've done is I've put the order ID here, AUG 40. The weight is 700 grams. It is 28 centimeter by 19 centimeter by 4 centimeter. So what I'm going to do here is, it is zero point 0.7 because it is kilo here. So 700 grams is 0.7 kilo. And what was that? It was 28,19,4. So I'll put 28,19,4. That is how we do it. Okay. And that's it. That's very simple and easy. So what I'm going to do here is, after I put all the details here, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this file. Okay. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload the file here. So if you can do it by yourself, or if you are shipping through us, you said then send us the this file, and we will do it on your behalf. So what we are going to do is upload this file. So after you upload the file, if there is an error, it will show that there is an error. So here, what is given here is error is there. So again, I will download this and I'll try to figure out what is the error. So I've downloaded the file, I will open it up, and the order ID is missing. So order ID already existing, right? So I have to change this. So I can put any kind of red 981, something like that, and red 981, and then I can drag and drop 982, 983, something like that. I'm going to save this, and then again I'm going to upload this file here. So now I have uploaded this file, and yes, it is successful. Previously it was not successful. Now it is successful. To see which order has been added, I click here on the eye icon here. So here you can see this is showing up. So I had 3 orders, right? One is Daniel, one is Martin, one is Martin. So here all the details are given here. The pickup address is given here. Now what I can do is I can click on ship now, and it will show me that from where it is going to be picked up and where it is going to be shipped, and the value and everything. So I have these options with me. That is 48 rupees. It is including GST, and 48 rupees, 48.67. So this is how you can do it. And then you click on ship now. And after that, after you click on ship now, then it is going to tell you that when you want it to be picked up. Then you click here, then you schedule pickup, and then the pickup has been scheduled. Then what I do is I go to ready to ship, and here I can see the order here. Then what I need to do is I need to download the label. So once I download the label, this is the label here, and this is the address given here. So what I need to do is I need to take a printout of this, and then after taking this printout, I'll put it on my parcel that you have seen. I'll pack it up, and I will put the the label here, and then the person will come to my address, and it will pick it up and deliver to the customer. And if I want to track how and where the product is going, and if I want to share the tracking ID, I just click here, and here you can see the pickup has been scheduled, and where it will reach, how, when it is going to be delivered. All the details are mentioned here. And if I want to cancel this, I will click here, cancel order, reason to cancel. Yeah, so cancel shipment. You can put any order here. That's it. This is how simple it is. This is how you can add bulk order, and I've shown you the whole process in a very simple manner. So thank you for watching this video. And if you are looking to get your book printed, published, or any kind of printing services, book printing, publishing, or distribution services, please contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.